So, hello everyone, welcome back. Sorry for the inconvenience. We have Vani again with us. Okay. Hi Vani, can you hear us? Hello.
Hello.
Hi, and yeah, you are audible now.
Hello.
So,
Hi. Hi, Josh.
hi.
Hello.
So, how
Hi.
are you?
Welcome back,
I'm
Hiba.
I'm great.
Welcome back here
Yeah.
again.
Hello, Vaibhav. Hello,
Okay.
Joshna. How are you guys doing?
We
Absolutely
are
fine.
fine. Exams are
Yeah.
finally over now.
Oh, wow. That's great. Even my internship just ended. So, yeah, I can understand the feel.
Everyone's in mood.
Right now we
Yes.
can breathe with ease.
Oh, exactly. Exactly. And the year is ending, and we have been through so much this year. So, I'm glad
Yeah,
that it's ending
absolutely.
on a good note.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
2020 has been a crazy year. We all have to agree on that.
We all can agree to that, but see,
Oh,
the way we work, we just never stop, right? We keep enduring and we keep moving forward. And in fact, like, just for instance, just look at us right now, right? We
yeah.
we used
There
to
were
do
very
all these
upside
things.
there were very ups and downs in between throughout the year.
Definitely.
Oh, ups and
And
downs. I guess they were all downs.
they were on,
Finally,
yeah.
No,
something good is happening.
Not really. I think that we all learned a lot, right? We all got to know a lot of
Yeah.
things about us, about the way things work.
Oh,
And here we are. Had this not happened, we would have been doing it face to face. I would have been able to hear everyone. I would have been able to see everyone, and it would have been a very different experience. But here we are, and I'm so glad that we just don't give up and we find ways to just keep going. So here's to that.
yeah.
have you ever developed any hobbies in between the lockdown or
Uh,
indulged in some social media activities
You know,
like
chill.
dalgona coffee and
Something.
being in bingo?
Oh man, tell me about it. So I did try the dalgona coffee, but too bad I could just
Oh,
never make it up. Like never. I could never make it up. The mixing part, I could just never go ahead of that. So yeah, tell me about it. But yeah,
Yeah,
as a
I
hobby,
tried I
you
tried
did?
once, twice, but I just messed up.
See, exactly. But kudos to people who could actually do it
no.
and
That
made it
it
seem easier.
tasted. It tasted really. Let's not comment on that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So, were there any new hobbies?
Oh
Fitness
yes,
challenge.
so I started coloring, which kind of like made me
Oh,
so happy. Yeah,
the
like just
whole time.
coloring with sketch pens and playing with sketch pens like a lot, which might seem very kiddish, but it's so fun.
Oh,
So my sister,
I
yeah,
do that whenever I'm stressed,
yeah,
I just like just take colors and do anything with that. It's so
right.
refreshing.
Cheers you up. I know it's such a nice activity, and I think we
I
should
know.
all do it. As
Yeah.
adults, we should do it even more. It's a great stress killer.
Yeah.
Okay, so we
Right.
are all set. So, well, that was an well spent lockdown, I must say.
Yeah, yes,
So
yes.
we are more than excited to have you here, Bani, and we
Thank
are all
you.
set to see you the fire up the night. So
All
stage is
right.
all yours,
Thank
and
you.
I
Thank
hope
you
you
so
will
much.
gonna rock it now.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. It's going to be super fun. All right. Okay. So, hello,
Okay,
everyone.
all
Hello,
yours.
Trip. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, Triple ITA. That is Ahmedabad. And I wish that I could hear you cheer right now, which I'm sure you are. Like inside, you're just like, woohoo. So, even if I cannot hear you, even if you cannot hear your friends, even if you are not with your friends right now, let's just have a good cheer. Okay, it makes me positive. It hypes me up before every show. So just have a good cheer right now. You don't have to do it like for me. Just do it for yourself. So I'm gonna do it too. So one on a count of three. One, two, three. Woohoo! Yeah. So that was that. So hello everyone. I'm Vani Bhasin and I'm here to entertain you, and I'm so honored to be here. Triple I have been to Triple IT Delhi, which was a great experience because I went to watch Pratik Kuhar there, who happens to be one of my favorite artists these days, and I'm pretty sure he's your favorite artist as well. So it is a complete honor to be playing for you guys today, and I would also like to thank the Ombre app Yes. Sorry, Allahabad. I'm so sorry about that. That's Allahabad. I'm so sorry, guys. So anyway, so this event has been sponsored by Ombre. So I would really like to tell you a little bit about it because it's a very, very cool app. And if you haven't already checked it out, I really suggest you to go and do that because this app actually connects you with all sorts of people who listen to all sorts of genre of music. So whatever you like, you will see like-minded people, you will find like-minded people, and you will be able to attend concerts like these and so with just one click. So what are you waiting for? Just go and do that. So anyway, the first song that I'll be starting with is a super fun song. I literally do it. It's my first song in every live concert that I do, not the virtual ones, but yeah, so it hypes me up and I hope it hypes you up as well. And I really, really, really just ask you to do one thing. That is just enjoy yourself, just have a lot of fun and yeah, sing along, okay, or dance along. So here it goes. So this is Tunki, one of my favorites. All right. Can you guys hear the audio properly? It's a very fun song. It brings the rock star inside of me, and I hope the same happens to you. ओ मलंग हुआ दिल ये मेरा ए मस्त मलंग हुआ दिल ये मेरा ए ओ मलंग हुआ दिल ये मेरा ए मस्त मलंग हुआ दिल ये मेरा इश्क करदा छड्डे पल्ला मौज करदा होके झल्ला जीवे इश्क में दिल ना होए फकीरी मांगे सब दी खैर सुखन्ना जीवे गिरा दीवारे लगा ललकारे इश्क दी मसदी दे विच सोवे दे जागे धुणकी 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 लागे धुणकी 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 1 2 3 everybody धुणकी 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 लागे धुणकी 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 लागे So I can see Jyoshna having fun and I can see Vaibhav also like having a little bit of fun. You can keep commenting by the way. Okay. La da la. So yeah. So good to see Jyoshna having fun. You can keep commenting. ला दिल को हर बशर इश्क दा चंगा है असर कर ले खुद से ही प्यार बंदया है जहाँ की तुझको खबर खुद से है पर तू बेखबर ले ले अपनी जी सारी बंदया गिरा दीवारे लगा ललकारे इश्क दी मसदी दे विच सोवे दे जागे धुणकी 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 लागे धुणकी 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 1 2 3 sing it धुणकी 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 ला ओ धुणकी लागे रे धुणकी 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 ला ओ धुणकी लागे रे धुणकी 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 लागे So this was Gunki. I hope you guys had fun. I can totally see the comments. It's so good to see them, man. Thank you, everyone. This is so cute. So anyway, we'll be jumping on to the next song, which is super fun. So to those of you who do not know me, I am a singer-songwriter, and all my songwriting is done with my guitar. So I'll be playing some of my songs on the guitar. So just give me a second. So I really hope that you guys like this one. I'm pretty sure that you know this one because it's a super fun song. So here we go. Are you ready? Hi, Hemlata is also here. All right. Mm. Ooh, 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 ooh. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. Hey. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Hey. Half of my heart is in Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana. He didn't what's up, baby, how you doing? When he came in the room, said there's a lot of girls that can do it, but I can't wait that you do it forever in a minute. That summer night in June, Papa say he got Marlo in him. He got me feeling like, ooh, ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him and I left him. He got me feeling like, ooh, ooh. And then I had to tell him I have to go. Oh, na, 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 Havana, oh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, na na na. Hey, half of my heart is in Havana, my heart is in Havana, Havana, oh na na. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you like in the hotel. There are some things that never change. You say we're just friends, but friends don't know the way you taste. La la la, yeah. I don't know, it's been a long time coming, don't you let me fall. Ooh, ooh, man, your lips undress me, hooked on your tongue. Ooh, love, your kisses deadly, don't stop. Love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you, but every touch is ooh la la la. It's true la la la. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for ya. Oh, hey, thank you. Thank you to everyone who are commenting. It's so, 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 so nice to see that. Thank you, guys. All right. So it's so guys, it's very, very fun when we keep it interactive because that's how concerts are supposed to be, right? They're supposed to be super interactive. I'm supposed to sing, you're supposed to have fun, you're supposed to sing along, you're supposed to dance along. So let's just make sure that that's happening, even though I know that this is a live concert and yeah, virtual live concert, and I'm pretty sure that you guys must be feeling, oh, I wish I was in college right now, and I wish that we were doing this in real, but it's all right. We adapt, and that is what we are known for. The humans are known to adapt, and that is how we sustain, and that is how we develop. So I'm so glad that this is happening, and but just don't forget to have fun, right? So do that. Anyway, so the next song that I'll be doing is a very, very, very sweet song. This song is about basically love and how some of us are scared to fall in love, how some of us make all these walls around us just because love is a scary thing, right? Just putting all of yourself and showing all of you to this person. It's a very scary thing to do. So I really like playing this song, and I really, really hope that you like it too. So this is Bari by Bilal Saeed and Momina Mustahsan. I'm always messing it up, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, here I go. All right. So just give me a second, everyone. Mm, I'm just gonna bring everything to the level. Yeah, just like keep it. So I just like okay. All right. So here I go. Hmm. All right. I hope that you guys can hear me properly. So just give me a second. I'll just like try to make it a little better. If it's not better, I just lost my mic there. So yes, I hope it's better now. I hope you can hear me properly. All right. All right. And to all of you guys who are commenting, Shivam and everyone, thank you so much. This is extremely sweet, and I'm really, really happy to be reading them. So keep doing that. It's just, no, it's very nice. It's a very nice gesture that you guys are doing. So thank you so much. So anyway, who are you? I mean, who all love this song? Because I personally like love it. It just brings out like such a wonderful vibe, right? So yeah. So the next song that I'll be doing is is by my favorite artist. I love him, and I think that he's the best one in our country right now because he's doing so well. And I keep telling him that you are inspiring so many of us. So and I mean, most of us when we like fall in love, we just have this one question in our head that is like kaise hua, right? So here it goes. हंसती रहती हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो चांदनी से हाँ। Thank you, Anurag. Thank you so much. I really hope that I get to perform for you guys live someday when things are better. And I really hope, excuse me, this thing that everyone in your place, including yourself, all your loved ones, are doing well because these are difficult times, and in fact, so many of my people are suffering. So I'm pretty sure this entire world is in a very grave condition right now. So I really hope that you, your family, and all your loved ones are doing well right now. And thank you so much for all the lovely comments, guys. This has been wonderful for me. So anyway, the next song that I have in store for you is a very special song because it takes me places, and I'm pretty sure that you already know this song, and I'm pretty sure that you already love the artist because this has been everyone's favorite song for so long. So here I go. This is called My by Pratik Kohar. When I feel cold, keep you close. And if I could hold you and take you home. And when at night the toes touch mine, I'll sing you to sleep. If you were mine to keep, I wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. I wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your breath. With your breath, just sway just like it's Friday night, and all the lines will bind me dry, and all the light is your side, and I can feel it when you cry. I wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your. I wish I could leave you my love, but my heart is a mess. My days they begin with your name and nights end with your. With your breath. When I feel cold and keep you close, and if I could hold you and take you home. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Also, like if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on my Instagram, my YouTube, my Facebook, anywhere you want. It would be lovely to see you all there, and you can also like make your own videos of this live session and just post it on my Instagram. I would really like to see that. And thank you so much to everyone who's commenting. It's really nice to see that people are enjoying this. So No, so the next song that I will be doing is a very, very, very special song, and many of you might have not heard it. Heard it, I don't know. So this song is about a lot of things. It's my own song. This is a song that I wrote, and it's my debut song. It came out on Z Music India, and it came out, and I wrote it in three different languages. That was Hindi, English, and Punjabi. And this was the first time that I was writing in Hindi because I usually write in English because um, that's just something that comes to me naturally, just the way I express myself. So anyway, yeah. So this song is about it's about heartbreak and it comes from a place of hurt and betrayal. And the name of the song is Bewafa. And I really hope that you do not relate to it because it's a sad song. So obviously, I don't want you guys to relate to it. But if you do, then you can definitely stream it on all the major music streaming platforms and check it out on my YouTube as well if you like it. So here it goes. आंखों ही आंखों में इस पल को छीना था तुमने तो यूं बेवजह थी मेरी ये ख्वाहिश तुम्हारे सदा इस चले मेरा यूं इस तरह आंखों ही आंखों में इस पल को छीना था तुमने तो यूं बेवजह थी मेरी ये ख्वाहिश तुम्हारे सदा इस चले मेरा यूं इस तरह and now my eyes won't dry and I just wanna say hi but when your hands touch mine everything feels alright मैं हंसती खेलती रहनी सी हर दुख तो दूर मैं बहनी सी why did you do this बेवफा ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਗੂੰਜਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ why did you do this बेवफा बेवफा हंसते ही हंसते यूं तुमने मुंह मोड़ा था ऐसी क्या की मैंने खता था मेरा ये डरना के भर जाए दिल ना तुम्हारा मुझसे इस तरह and now my ghost alive and I'm just gonna say hi but when I see your eyes everything feels alright मैं हंसती खेलती रहनी सी हर दुख तो दूर मैं बहनी सी why did you do this बेवफा ਸਾਡੇ ਦਿਲ ਦੀ ਜੋ ਸਾਰੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਗੂੰਜਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੰਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ why did you do this बेवफा Thank you. Wow, it was so nice to be seeing everyone's comments. So anyway, so I was supposed to be doing this was oh my god, this was wonderful for me. Thank you so much. I loved reading the comments to be very honest. It was literally the highlight of my day. So thank you. Anyway, so I was supposed to this is going to be the last song and I was supposed to be doing another song on the karaoke, but I think that guitar is more suited and as we are also like in the zone, so I think that I'm gonna end the song and this live with this song and So I really, really want you guys to have fun and just go with the flow and just keep flowing, keep having fun, keep keep dancing and singing if you can. That would literally make my day complete if you literally dance to this. So here it goes. All right. शामें मलंग सी रातें उड़ंग सी बागी उड़ान पे ही ना जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए Sing! Na 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 कल पे सवाल है जीना फिलहाल है कान्हा पड़ोसियों में ही जाने क्यों इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए आए Hey! Na 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 यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई सज धज के इश्क सिखा यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई सज धज के जब याद करे परवा मेरी तुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जब मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही every night every minute of the day तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही दिन चढ़े तुम ही दिन ढले तुम ही हो बंधु सखा तुम ही Spent 24 hours I need more hours with you We spend the weekend getting even, ooh. We spend the daylight trying to make things right between us. Oh, oh, now it's all good, babe. Roll that backward, babe, and play me close. Dang, girls like you run around with guys like me. Now when I come through, I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Girls like you love fun and yeah, me do what I want when I come through. I need a girl like you, yeah, yeah. Dang, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you, yeah, 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 yeah. I need a girl like you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So yeah,
Marvelous beats and a beautiful voice you adorn it. It's really soothing to hear you. You got very sweet voice, really. Comment section is really on fire and showering blessings over you.
sorry, I'm so sorry I missed that. Did you ask me something?
Nana, I just said you got really soothing voice to hear you, and you're very
Thanks a lot.
and comment section is really on fire and showering blessings over you.
I am so grateful for that, and you guys have been such amazing hosts. So thanks to you too as well. You two have done a tremendous job here. especially initially when we were not able to connect. So thank you so much to the both of you.
You have got us all nostalgic through the years hits, and we can't wait to hear more. Though before we proceed, we would like to get to know about you. Uh,
Sure,
Oh, my mic was off. Shit.
it's all right.
Sorry. I just said that that you gave me a new favorite. I loved Bewafa and Cold Mess. Oh my god.
Sweet. Thank you, Jyotsna. That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
It's
thank
very
you.
kind of you. Thank
Everyone who
you.
gives me a favorite, I'm indebted to that person. I love him.
Oh man, and everyone in the comment section as well. I am so happy to read everything that you're writing. So thanks a lot. Thank you so much. I'm really
you're gonna surely rule my playlist nowadays.
yes, that was the aim.
So you have created a magic all over our hearts. Thank you so much, Vani. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
It was an
Thank you.
absolute pleasure to have you with us.
And we
Pleasure
wish you
was
all
all
the best
mine.
for your future endeavors and let the music flow through you to others. Sadly,
Wow.
it has come to an end now. So,
Yes.
So I would like to conclude this event. A good event never ends in the world. They just take only a pause and keep us waiting for the next. It was really a mesmerizing event for us. Thank you everyone. You've been a very fantastic audience. Be safe and I wish you all the love and goodness. And thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.